Hi guys, so in this video I will be addressing one of the most important topic basically कि now why there is more requirement of actuaries, ठीक है? And why insurance basically needs more actuaries now. So see, we insurance products में ना basically the risk complexity is increasing. We have more and more risk coming in picture like pandemic shocks, cyber risk, technological failures, climate risk, जिससे कि actuaries की again demand is increasing. And now insurers are basically focusing on big data. They are focusing on use of AI. They are focusing on use of machine learning, जिसकी वजह से we require actuaries to interpret that data. There are more strict regulation and solvency norms, so we require actuaries to make sure that we are maintaining solvency capital requirements. And nowadays, basically policyholders prefer personalized premiums instead of flat rates. So basically, insurance company wants to focus on individual risk. So again, the requirement of actuaries is there to focus on individual risk. Longevity, aging population increases longevity risk on the part of insurers, which again increases the demand for actuaries. And now we have new products coming into picture, like insurance companies are targeting micro insurance. They are targeting wellness linked benefits, and for meeting the pricing and reserving requirements for these benefits, again there is an increasing demand for actuaries. So as a result of changing norms, as a result of better usage of data, as a result of more and more risk coming into picture, maybe because of climate change and other risk factors, the demand for actuaries and insurance is in increasing manifold. So stay tuned for more videos, informative videos coming to your way, and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Happy learning.